My name is Amir Qutbi and 34 years old, live in Sheffield.
I was a builder in my country. We bought houses, renew that and sell them. And I try to find a way to do this job. So from the beginning, the first thing I needed, I think that was improving my English. That's like a key for me. I worked as a volunteer for 6 months in that building. I worked as a maintenance. So I asked them, is it any chance I can find some way to find my job? And one day, David from Shelter, he called me and said, do you have a time to come here? When I went there, he said, are you happy to do this? It's a CSCS course. Maybe after that, they give you some chance for find a job. I said, okay. I had 2 types of training. One of them here in CSCS course, actually, from Building Block. And they teach us about health and safety, how can we work in a site or something like that. But another training I doing for now as well, it's from my colleagues in a site. Every time they teach me what shall I do, what type of tools or what type of drawing I should use for this job or that job. So every time for me it's like training. This situation is like a key. You can learn and you can use that in industry, so you can open the door.
I improve most of the things in my life. And it's like you have a freedom. You can, you understand you have some things to do. You are a good person in this world. And
give me a new view in my life.